In this video, I'm going to show you how you can make site-wide changes to the navbar and footer in Bootstrap Studio. So let's head over to the program. So on this test page, you can see there's a navbar with some links, and there's also a footer on the bottom again with some links and some social media icons. So if you want to copy this navbar to other pages and to be able to make site-wide changes, it is actually very simple. So what we need to do is, first of all, we need to have some other pages in a project. So make sure you have some other pages which you can copy the navbar and the footer to. This also applies to other components, so you can copy other components as well if you want to. So what we need to do is go to the overview section, and we can see we have a navbar up here and we have a footer. So make sure you select the entire navbar and the entire footer, not just the sub folder options. So make sure the entire navbar is selected. So put your cursor over it and right click and select the copy and paste option, and then go to copy to and select the multiple option if you have multiple pages, and then you can select the pages you want to copy the navbar to. So I'm going to select all of them, and the most important thing is that you have to enable this option, which is link copies. So select that and select copy, and I'm going to repeat the same process for the footer. So again, right click, copy to, multiple, and select the pages you want and make sure that they're all linked together, and select copy. So you can probably now see next to the navbar and the footer there's a little link icon. So that means every time you make a change on any page to the navbar or the footer or any component you've added, the same changes will be applied to all the other pages. So for example, if I go to this other page, CV, so you can see there's no navbar present. That's because it's down the bottom. So I just drag it up on the overview underneath the body, and you can now see the navbar is at the top. So if I want to add a new page, I'm just going to duplicate one quickly. You can see another page has been added. If I add another one, another page has been added. And again with the footer, if I just duplicate a page or link, same with the icons, I can change the icons and so on. And if I go back to, say, the home page or any page they've been added to, you can now see that the effects have been applied to the same page. So you can edit any page you want as long as the link icon is present. The effect will be applied to all the pages you've made that edit in. So if you are starting a new page, you can just start a new page as normal, or you can go into the navbar, again right click, and you can select the copy and paste option, and you can copy it to a new page. And as long as it's got the link icon next to it, the new page will have the header. And again, you can do the same with the footer. So just make sure it has to have this link icon next to it for all the effects to be applied to the same pages. And if you want to unlink it, right click and you can unlink it by here, select unlink. And if you want to make changes that only apply to this page, that will be applied. So hopefully that helps you. Thanks for watching.